Okay, hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and I am Victoria. So for today, we're going to do unboxing, first impression, try on video, if it makes sense. And I found a beauty box at Asos.com, and it's their Asos brand discovery set. If you want to know what's inside, what I actually think about it, since Christmas is just around the corner, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started! Okay guys, I'm so excited because I finally found a website that actually has beauty boxes, and I got this Asos Discovery brand box. Is for $21.59, and they do say that you get a 70% savings. So they do deliver in Singapore if you purchase like $20 worth of products from their website. I'll put all the information at the description box below, so you can just check it out if you wanted to. So it actually comes in this white box with the Asos logo, and you do get like 5 beauty items that you can actually create a full face. I'm wearing everything now, but Victoria, shut up. And let's get to it. So once you open the box, it's like this. You do get a card. It's like go play with Asos. And so it comes with this nice tissue box. I do keep tissue box, like tissue paper. I keep tissue paper. I recycle them, especially now that Christmas season is just around the corner. And when you open it up, you do get this. Asos do have like a free return policy, and this is the paper that comes with it, and it tells you basically how you can return items to them. Okay, so let's dive onto the box according to what I'm actually wearing on my face. The first thing that I actually used is Asos Devoted Eyeshadow Palette, and it's a neutral shade. In the box, it will come in this bubble wrap packet, and when you open it up, it actually looks like this, in this pink, shiny pink thing. And the name of the palette is actually Devoted. When then you open it up, you do get 6 shades. You get 5 matte shades and 1 shimmer shade. So I've used all the colors on my eyes today. Can you actually see? So what do I actually think about it? I do like the matte shades because it was easy to blend. You can build it up if you wanted to. It was soft, but it's kind of powdery. If you can see what happened to the palette, it's like all over the place. I'll be inserting swatches, don't worry. The only thing I didn't like in this palette is the shimmer shade, because even though how hard I tried, I just can't get it to show up. If you can see, it's very patchy. I tried using a brush, I tried using my fingers, I tried wetting my brush, and it just doesn't want to show. It's very chalky. So at least 5 shades out of 6 I was able to like 5 shades. I think it's fine. Then the next thing that you actually get is Pro Tools marble brush. It's like this. It's very small. I tried using this by like putting color on my crease and blending this dark brown. It actually did a good job. Victoria, trying to ruin you. It actually did a good job. So you can actually use this to put eyeshadow on your crease and or at the outer corner, and it worked fine. I do like this. I'll be using this. Although the handle is quite rubbery, I feel like in time it would be like sticky, but yeah, it's fine. So next is the Sleek Blush by Tree. And when you open it up, you actually get 3 colors. They say that Blush by Tree includes 3 complementary colors. You do get 3 colors, which is Crochet, Yo Puri, and Chantilly. Okay, you actually get two matte shades, and I'm wearing today Chantilly. It's this like peachy thing, while the other one is actually like, it's also peachy. It's all in this peach shade, but I actually like the color of Chantilly. I'm wearing it. It's not as pigmented as you want to, but which is good because I think you can actually build it up. Let's build up this. Oh, can you see that? Because it's a matte shade, so it doesn't show any textures. If you do have, like me, I do have like textures on my face. So I'm using the other color now, which is Crochet. And then, like what I always do, I'll get the same brush that I use the bronzer for, and then I'll just go over it ever so slightly so that it would be like blended. You will not see the lines of the blush and the bronzer. The shimmer shade I didn't try just because it's shimmer, but for a blush trio I do like it because some people can actually get away with using this color, but for me it was just not me. So again, 2 out of 3 is not bad. It's not chalky. You can actually blend it. You can build it up, and the color, yeah, the pigmentation is there. And next is, they also have lashes, but I actually don't know how to use like lashes, so I was not able to use it today. You do get Ardell lashes in wispies. This is one of what I know of is one of the most popular Ardell lashes, and it's demi wispies. So I'm going to keep this because I'm planning to do a little giveaway maybe when I reach 250 or when during Christmas. We'll see because I'm still deciding. And then last but not the least, matte liquid lip paint from Colored Raine for an elegant barely there finish. The shade is Satin Cream. So I'm wearing it now. Is this like dark mauvey like kinda lipstick? It was easy to apply. It dried quite fast, and when it does dry, it's a little bit tacky, but it's fine. Let's see. It's kinda transfer proof. It's not so bad, but it's dry now and it's lightweight. I don't feel that I'm actually wearing lipstick. I don't know how long lasting this will be. So what do I actually think about this beauty box from Asos? I do like it, although there was a few hits and misses, especially with the eyeshadow palette and the blush, but that was my personal preference. Aside from the eyeshadow palette, where in the shimmer shade I totally can't get it to work. I don't know, maybe it's me, but I'm not so sure. Any one of you actually tried any of those Asos eyeshadow palette? Let me know in the comment section below what do you actually think, because there's another box that is all Asos products. So I'm thinking whether do I need to buy it and try and see. But if you're looking for a Christmas gift that you want to give somebody that they can actually do an almost full face of makeup, I think this one is good just for the price of $29 or $22 Sing dollars. It is good, and delivery was fast, and you can actually get free shipping as long as you meet the minimum requirements. I actually purchased a few sets, gift sets, just to show you guys and give you ideas of what Christmas gift you can actually purchase for your friends. And it's actually good. I do like this box. I find it like it's really worth the price for $22. Yeah, I'm planning to buy more items from Asos in the future, and then I'm going to share it with you guys so that you will know. And again, as always, I'll link everything at I'll put everything on the description box so that if you want to try it out, check it out, you can check it out from there. And that's it. If you do like this type of videos, please do give this video a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I do upload new videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!